Hey guys, this is Carey Martell here, co-founder of Power Palace Gym, our 1980s, early 90s theme sort of bodybuilding, powerlifting, strength conditioning, sports conditioning, training gym here in my hometown of Newberg, Oregon. We've got a wide selection of different equipment for people to be able to do old school style workouts, right? Real strength training, real hardcore stuff. Today I'm going to talk about a couple exercises that were very commonly used by a lot of bodybuilders from the 1940s all the way up to the 1980s for developing a nice thick chest. Okay, you want to get one of those nice old school vintage sort of classic physique looks, bodybuilding looks. This is the type of exercises that they did to get those looks. So the first exercise that we're going to start with is the wide grip bench press, as I'm demonstrating here in this video. Wide grip bench press is really excellent for getting the parts of the chest that can often be undeveloped. Chest has a lot of different parts to it. Okay, it's not just one big muscle. It's actually a couple different muscles. And doing a wide grip is harder than doing a conventional bench press. You're not going to be able to lift as much weight as you can with a more powerlifting traditional style of bench press. That's not the objective. The objective is to work the muscles that often are undeveloped so they get bigger, so that when you flex, your chest is wide and it looks strong. Another exercise often not done these days is the incline wide grip bench press. Again, you're hitting parts of the chest that often get missed when you're doing a normal bench press, okay? And this was a staple exercise for all of the hardcore bodybuilders back in the day. And this is the thing that's really going to give you a great, strong upper chest, all right? Next, let's talk about decline bench press, okay? Decline bench press, that's going to really hit the bottom areas of your chest. You want to make the muscles pop up. You make your upper chest pop up. You need to develop that little rib cage, that area right where your rib cage meets your chest, okay? And doing a decline bench press is going to do that for you. Another decline variation you can do is on a fly. Lots of people do bench flies, okay, but they usually do it with a flat bench. Here I'm doing it with a decline bench. Decline bench flies. You hardly see decline stationary benches these days anymore in a lot of gyms. At least I haven't, unless you're going to somewhere that's a serious hardcore, bodybuilding gym. We have it here, have a bench right here at our dumbbell rows. So if people want to do a decline dumbbell fly, they could definitely do so. That's really going to work many other muscles on the sides of your chest that that often are missed by other other exercises that you do. Now, some people use a cable crossover to sort of work those muscles as well. And cable crossover is definitely a good exercise to do for the bottom of that chest area as well on the sides. But doing it with a dumbbell is actually going to be more effective because it's going to work more of the stabilizer muscles that really don't get as developed when you're doing a cable or a machine workout. So another thing I would suggest doing is a close grip incline bench press. Close grip incline bench press. Okay, you might think at first that this is going to work more of triceps, and it does a little bit, but it's not quite like a flat press. It's actually going to work those muscles right where your rib cage meets again. It's going to focus on those, help you make a nice box with your rib cage, so that when you stick in your, stick out your chest, you puff it up, you suck in your gut, you're going to have that nice sort of V-shaped taper that is very desirable for the shows. So hopefully you guys got something out of this. These are some exercises that really are most beneficial for people that are maybe already intermediate lifters who've already got some muscle that they want to focus on sculpting a little bit more. For a lot of these exercises, I would consider them to be something that you maybe start looking into doing maybe after lifting for about 3 to 4 months. Okay, you want to start focusing more on developing certain parts of your chest, you need to graduate a bit from just doing a conventional bench press or a dumbbell press and start doing some of these more specialized chest exercises using more specialized equipment such as incline benches and decline benches. All right, guys, hopefully you got something out of this. See you in the next video.